We're demonstrating the Bowler 20-inch metal frame, nicely designed like a daisy, a butterfly, with fabric in a tan color, breathable. Easy to clean, easy to get into access to put the bulbs in, to replace, and more. It is a 4 LED, maximum 60 watts per, and what we're going to show you is how to install and demonstrate what this fan is about. A 20-inch Bohoraten fan. It is a fabricated fan, caged fan with 4 LED Edison bulbs included. Plastic blades, blow down and up, remote control, wall switch driven. We have a flush mount bracket to hang up on the ceiling to a junction box. Excellent for low profile rooms. We're gonna unbox it, which we already done, and show you what the fan is about. It's protected with plastic around the fabrication and wrapped in plastic as well. What we need to do now is take out the bracket to get to the remote transmitter that's inside and hang up over there. With 4 screws, loosen up, rotate, and gently lift off and away. We have the remote control all wired up. All you need to do is hook up your leads to your AC. You have your load and neutral to hook up. With the box, locate the area to hang. This S-hook, simply grab and place. With the holes on the side, simply place on. Match your leads. Load for load, neutral for neutral. And you're going to lift off and on to the brackets in the matching areas with all the wires tucked in. Secure all screws down on top. With the supplied maximum 60 watt LED bulbs, there's enough room for the hands to go on top to place in. Once all 4 bulbs are in, you're able to take off the surrounding plastic. With the hardware for the fan, for the remote control, the cradle to be hung up as an option on the wall. Locate a spot and hang. The remote control placed on, snapped in to its cradle. We're going to turn the fan on. For the first time, it lights up in the on position. We'll shut our upper lights off so you can see the accent of the lights, the LEDs. With the remote control, we'll show you what's on and how to use. We have a green indicator to shut off the lights in the fan. We have the lights on and off. We have a rotation forward, rotation reverse, audible sound, 6 speeds, the fan stop, and the timer. Point to the fan, turns on. Turn on the lights separately, the lights on. As you can see, the side blowing. The fan is protected by a design of metal around, fabric around 20 inches. It is a quiet fan, as you can hear. And with the reverse speed, the fan will slow down, pressing on forward to show you the fan slowing down. Check and reverse. The metal, round with little points like a daisy, black with fabric around the side, the Bowler 20-inch fan. With the lights in the off position and turning the fan off. With the motor, as you listen for the audible beep and the quietness of the fan, we're changing the speeds. That is the audible sound of a high-pitched beep. This is a single light on and off without a dimmer. It is a 6-speed fan forward and reverse. I hope you enjoy the fan from the provider, and if this is the ceiling fan light fixture that you are looking for. The lights are off to give you a demonstration again of how it looks like in a warm Kelvin supplied from the company. 4 LED bulbs, excluding AAA batteries for the remote control. 2. Enjoy your ceiling fan if this is what you are looking for, and thank you very much for viewing.